In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads on your MEE Audio Matrix Cinema. Remove the old pads by gripping the entire pad, including the plastic ring, and pulling straight out. Work in a circle to remove all the clips. Next, we're going to separate the ring and the pad. Put the pad on the ring by working slowly around the edge. The pads may need to be stretched slightly to get it onto the plastic ring. Once you have the pad fully on the ring, snap the ring back into place by using the 4 clips around the edges. Line up the first clip and make sure it clips into place, then go in a circle, applying pressure to clip each one. That's it. If you have any other questions, please email support@meeaudio.com and we'd be happy to get those addressed for you.